Hi, it's Melissa Lennard here, and I wanted to break that myth that interior designers are just for the rich and famous, or only deal with really high-end budgets. That is not the case at all. I work with so many different types of clients all over Melbourne that have, such a broad range of budgets. I work with some clients that just need help with colour selection. So, whether that be you're repainting the house and really want to test out a few different colour options, hiring a designer can help with some really great suggestions that you might have not have thought of before and save you a lot of money down the track, because if you pick a colour, from a little tiny paint chip and haven't really used any tester pots, and you start painting the house and you realize that you do not like that color, that's a $5,000 to $10,000 mistake right there. So, hiring a designer at the start is a really good investment to avoid any of those costly mistakes. I work with other types of clients that, whether they're building or renovating, and need help picking all those colours and finishes. So if you are redoing your kitchen or bathroom or the whole house, for example, we can sit down and help select every single selection, from benchtop colours to cabinetry, tiles, tapware, you name it. So if you are feeling really overwhelmed, having someone on your side, like myself, to really use as a sounding board or even as a mediator between you and your partner if you are disagreeing on certain looks and styles, I can help be there and really steer you in the right direction based on what it is you want to get out of your home, because I think your home should be all about your style, your personality, and how you want to use the space, rather than just copying something that you see on Facebook or on Instagram or even on Pinterest. It's easy to copy, it's just not the right thing to do. But you want to create something that's really unique and all about you. So hiring a designer can really help create something that's definitely bespoke and one of a kind. So, even when it comes down to furniture selections, if you need someone to help, offer some suggestions for furniture for your lounge room or your bedroom, you don't have to think that you need a really big budget for that. It's got to be realistic, absolutely, and we can help guide you in what you are comfortable in spending. But we have a broad range of different suppliers that we work with, where we can help suggest furniture, artwork, lighting, and rugs. So you definitely don't have to be going down to those high-end stores to start picking things out. So don't feel intimidated that an interior designer is going to spend a lot of money on your home. We need to work within your budget and what you feel comfortable with, because whether you're renovating, building, or furnishing one room in your home, it's such an expensive and emotional exercise. So by doing it right the first time is really important, and that's where a designer can really help you out there. So, one of my initial design consults, that runs for only 90 minutes, and that's an affordable way to get some advice, see if your ideas work, and that's only $300. And if you decide to work with me further down the track, that $300 is fully refundable from the full design fees. Otherwise, you're left with some great advice that you can take away, use as you wish, and hopefully feel that you're on a better direction, and rather than feeling overwhelmed. So I'll put a link below for you to get in touch or for you to find out more about the initial design consult. But I hope that does answer some questions and let you know that an interior designer doesn't need to be an intimidating hiring an interior designer doesn't have to be an intimidating experience. We're here to help you and to work with you in creating a home that you absolutely love. That is the important part. So get in touch if you want to find out more.